Hello guys, and welcome to Petrolate. There has been a lot of speculations about the diesel CX-5, and that is why today we have brought yet another CX-5 of the channel, and we are trying to demystify and tell you guys if owning the diesel CX-5 is the right choice or not. This specific one is the 2017 variant, and we're going to tell you guys everything that goes wrong with the diesel CX-5 and what you need to do to counter it in case you already own a 2017 diesel CX-5. Keep it locked. Now, before we begin this video, if you have not watched our full review of the Mazda CX-5, click on the pop-up button up there or follow the link in the description below. And I want to start by saying that the Mazda CX-5 comes in two variants. There is the petrol variant and there is the diesel variant. The petrol variant is suited for that person who is not really keen into maintaining their vehicles and all that. But the diesel is the one which packs up more torque and more power. And what does that mean? That means that it will be maintenance sensitive. And one thing that you'll want to know about the diesel CX-5s is that they are rated Euro 6. If you buy the Mazda CX-5 and you're in the Kenyan market, our diesel in Kenya is rated to be Euro 4. And that's now where the rain started beating the Mazda CX-5. Join us as we explore more of the issues that the Mazda CX-5 comes with. Now, another thing that people should know about the Mazda CX-5 is that it is brought from Japan. And the weather in Japan and Kenya are very different. And Kenya is quite hotter than Japan. And what does that mean? That means that if you bring your Mazda CX-5 and don't do any modification to it, it means that with the hot climate in Kenya, there is the junction pipe, the coolant junction pipe, which is made of plastic. And as the car is brought to the heat that is in Kenya, the coolant junction pipe will lose its efficiency and it will start to leak coolant. And when it leaks coolant, that means that there is no coolant fluid that will be circulating in the engine, and this will cause the engine to overheat. So that is culprit number one. And culprit number two is that the Mazda CX-5 comes from factory with something that is called the diesel particulate filter on your screen. So the diesel particulate filter, also known as the DPF, now relates to the low Euro 4 quality that is being used in Kenya. This vehicle is rated Euro 6 and the diesel in Kenya is Euro 4. So if you fuel this car with the Euro 4 fuel, the diesel is not as clean as the Euro 6 fuel. So the DPF will clog faster. And if the DPF clogs and if it is not cleaned or removed, that means that the DPF will be blocked. And as the hot air is supposed to pass to the DPF through the exhaust, it will make the DPF to have a backflow of the gases that are supposed to go out. The hot gases will backflow to the engine, and this will cause the engine to also overheat. And this will make the head gasket of the car to blow. This is a little bit of rocket science, but I'm telling you something that will help you. And so this one takes us to now what you should do if you have purchased a diesel CX-5 in the African market. Number one is take it to the garage and tell the mechanic to change your junction pipe for the coolant from plastic to metallic. They come with plastic junction pipes from the manufacturer in Japan, and you know the plastic junction pipe have proved to not work well in the African ecosystem. And so if you want to save your car, go and get the metallic junction pipe And another thing which is an easier fix is you can either be cleaning your DPF regularly, or if you are not somebody who is so keen to maintenance, you can get rid of the DPF completely. It will not hurt your car. There is some programming that can be done to the car so that it deletes the DPF from the system and your vehicle will breathe really, really well. So those two things are the major things that you are supposed to do to your Mazda CX-5 diesel. And guys, if you want to watch our in-depth review of the Mazda CX-5, our video is on the description below. Just go there and you will find the in-depth review. And also this diesel Mazda CX-5 is on offer at 3.48 million Kenyan shillings. Mark you, this one is a fully loaded variant with sunroof, Bose sound system, white leather seats, and all the good stuff that comes with the Mazda CX-5. Even the tailgate at the back is an automatic tailgate. You just press the remote and it will open or close. So if you are interested in purchasing this specific Mazda CX-5, call us on the number below and we will organize how you will get to purchase this specific vehicle. Or even if this one will be gone, we will also source for you another unit, because we are Petrolet and we are here to solve your car dream. We are here to enable you to get your dream car with much ease. And with that being said, guys, let's see you on the next episode of Petrolet.